Alright, boys. Feeding time. Oops. Here you go, bud. Good boy. See who eats the fastest. Who you guys think eats the fastest here? Let's see. Oh, it looks like he's got some left there. Oh boy, it looks like Magoots has got it. Whoa, looks like he's getting it. Okay, and let's see how this one's doing. He's got a little bit more. Let's see, Goots, how you doing, pal? Oh boy, he's in the finish line. Here we go, here we go. Floki, he's getting there. He's almost there. Almost there. Still got the couple of nubs there. Oh man, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Jeez, so what do you think? Let's see. He's going for it, but it looks like even though he finished early, he did leave some on his plate. Of course, he's gonna keep on eating now, and watch here. Watch this. He just comes over. Let's see. Okay, watch. Here he goes. Goes for his brothers. So what do you think? Who ate the fastest? Obviously, probably Goots. But this one's the slow guy. But who do you think ate more? Obviously, I believe it was Gudetama in a way. But you decide. Thanks for watching.